family, welcome back to the channel. Here we have this beauty, man, this beauty P51B, man. Goodness gracious, guys, this thing is amazing. I'm gonna give you a quick rundown. This has an 11x7 prop. This is running a Park 480 1020 kV motor, guys. I wanted to try out this motor. I got this in a sweet deal on a Facebook market buy. I bought a plane, guys, and I can't wait to put that plane in the videos as well. But I wanted to try this motor out, and guys, this is amazing. Wow. Now I'm gonna put it right here. I have this fully covered in Minwax, so it's like really silky, man. Really silky, so it should be waterproof, man. We should literally be able to be flying anywhere, but we're not gonna be flying in on rain, right? But look at that, look at that. But enough talking, man. We're gonna get right in the air, slap the battery in there, and we're gonna see how this thing flies. All right, let's check this out. Oh, got stuck right here. Okay. Woo! Whoa! This Park 107 is nice, and guys, this is no trim. Whoa! Now I need a little click of a tiny click of back elevator, down elevator. So whoa! But goodness gracious, man, I just can't believe. Look at that. Goodness, this is so smooth, man. Now the only downfall about this motor is that it's a $50-something motor. I was looking it up, but like I said, I got a sweet deal, man. Guys, not even a click of trim. I know yous do not hear my transmitter going off. Whoa, whoa. Let's get these low passes. I want yous to see this. Wow, this is smooth. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. So then, I mean, to be honest, I ain't even gonna use my elevator trim. I am literally going to what I'm going to do. Okay, let me use that rudder. Wow, look at that. What I'm going to do, wow, is I'm gonna just bring the battery just a tad bit back. So I do have it like really up to the nose, but I was just trying to be on the safe side for the maiden. Wow, look at that. Oh, I was trying to do a touch and go and it did not work for me. But our landing gear is good, our front is good, everything is good, guys. Everything is good. So let's get right back in there. I'm gonna leave the battery right there because that was a really good placement. Now the wind is coming towards the back of us now, so we're gonna go that way. Yeah, I was trying to do a touch and go. Maybe the landing gear is a little too wonky for it. Woo. I love that. I love that. To me, it looks like the B25 or something with the lines. Look at that. Now we're gonna see on the landing. Now look, that's literally hands off, so I could probably literally just keep the battery there. But goodness, wow. We're gonna go high up and we're gonna see some tricks real quick. Little loop, invert it. Look at that. Perfect. That is perfect. That is perfect. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this plane. Do you like the D series or do you like the B series more? I kind of like the way that the D looks. Look at that. But wow, That in the sky is amazing. This literally looks amazing. I think it would have been better if I would have done a little green. Look at that. Wow. Wow. This is nice. This is nice. Now we're just gonna fly this one battery. I was coming a little hot right there. We're just gonna fly this one battery, man. Wow. I basically have unlimited inverted, right? A little too far. Look at that. Inverted. Turn. Inverted still. Wow. Bring it in for a little pass. Now for high rates, I'm at 85% everything for high, and the expo is 30%. Wow. And this is high. This is my high. Yeah, this is my high. I can go a little higher. I'm gonna go to low. Look, this is my low. Let me go right here so that way you guys can see that. Look, this is low now. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. Woo! That rudder is crazy, man. So for low rates, I'm at 65% and 30% expo. So yeah, that 30 is nice. Look at that. I wonder if we could do a we definitely can't do no knife edge with this, but do we have enough juice? Nah, I wouldn't do that right now. A box, what's it called? A box circle, where you go basically 1, 2, and yeah, I can't do that right now. Maybe if I could have run 4S on this, wow, I would have been able to do it. But wow. All right, guys, so I landed the plane real quick because I don't know what happened to the camera, man. I don't know what, it just stopped recording. I heard the beepers for some reason. Maybe it just like froze or something, but it was saying fixing video or something like that. I don't know what that means with the GoPro, but it was fixing something. It was fixing the video for something. So I'm actually gonna push my landing gear a little bit forward, and this time I got my run cam on there. I want to see how this plane looks in the air, man, honestly. So let's sync up our audio. Right. So everything is good, honestly. I just want to see how the plane looks, and I want to implement that in the video because everybody likes seeing how the plane flies while it's on there. I'm actually going to try to put it right there and somewhere else on there, so wish me luck. This thing is butter smooth, man. Flip to low rates. Okay, I was just making sure that my camera was not moving. So let's get a little high so we can get some views. Turning with the rudder, look at that. Yeah, aha. Yeah, guys, I'm learning, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm learning. Let's try to see if we could get it like a low pass and like wave at the camera, right? Can we? Woo! Hopefully we seen us. Wow, this thing is nice, man. This thing is honestly amazing. Woo, let's get from away from the top of those houses. Let's come from over there inverted, right? Guys, I'm practicing for that challenge. Inverted challenge. Wow. Guys, that's my new thing. I'm gonna start whistling. Whoa. I love the power that this thing has with this motor, to be honest. Now, like I said before, this is the Park 480. Yeah, this is the Park 480 motor from E-flite. So, yeah, this is the 1020 kV motor. So, man, this is just simply amazing. Now, it is for like rated for 3D foam planes and stuff, but it's from like 20 to 27 ounces. It'll be perfect for that. And you can put it on anything from 30 to 36 ounces of weight. So that's pretty decent. That's around, ooh, look at that. That's basically the weight that this is recommended to be after you literally build it and do everything that the flight test guys do with their power pack and everything. I guess that's how it would be the same weight. Honestly, my planes always end up a little lighter, or wow, this is so smooth. My planes always end up a little lighter. Look at that vertical, man. Guys, that is nice. Now that was about 80%, 85% throttle. So let's go ahead and bring her for a landing. Do one more victory turn. Wow. This is nice, man. Ah, a little too hard of a landing, man. I thought I literally had it. I thought I had it. It's all right. As long as everything is good, right? Just a little bit of dirt right there. That's normal. And that's it. But, guys, as long, I forgot what was I saying, honestly, but listen, man. This plane right here is amazing. It's not a beginner plane, so I'm sorry for all the beginners that are in the channel, man. If you put the safe select on it, it'll definitely be a trainer, basically. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, it will turn into a trainer. That's what all the safe selects do. I have my X marks the spots for the CG. Same, I have a dot right here because I didn't want to mess up the top. And that's really it. I just want to get it real smooth. Woo, finally got a touch and go. That was a touch and go. A little hard, but all right. So let's come in for a landing now. Let's do a nice approach. Focus. Oh, nope. Gotta do that again, guys. I'm sorry. I guess I almost stalled it. Well, not guess. I literally almost stalled it. So, I flirted too hard, I guess, maybe. This is a high torque motor. Okay, we went a little forward, but we landed. Haha. All right, everyone. I'm gonna actually try to literally fix this landing gear. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys got any ideas to get these landing gears to be a little bit more stronger. What size gauge wire do you guys use anyway? So I think I'm using like a 2.5M maybe, or was it 2.75 it said or something? I don't know. But this is amazing. This is amazing. Now, I recommend this for anybody that likes to scale planes, man. I love the scale planes. The next thing I'm gonna do is the Corsairs. So I really want to have all the Master Series down. So hopefully in the future, you guys can see that in the future, man. But that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below. Was this a thumbs up or a thumbs down? I really like the build. It just needs some stickers. That Minwax definitely makes it really strong. So by now, I feel like everything would have, at least the landing gear would have broke off, but we're pretty good. But that's it for this video, everyone. Thank you for sticking around this long, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay creative.